Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Crash Test Dummy costume is probably one of the most iconic and attention-grabbing outfits you can don for any party, Halloween, or event, instantly transforming you into a recognizable and humorous character that's sure to get a laugh and spark conversations, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to stand out and embrace a bit of playful absurdity. Number 5. Be Amazing. Toys Interactive Human Body 14-inch Model. Discover the wonders of the human body with this incredible 14-inch tall model. It's fully articulated, allowing you to mimic real human movements and explore how we move. This realistic model is designed to help children aged 8 and up understand their own bodies. It's perfect for aspiring doctors and scientists, making anatomy exciting like never before. With 60 pieces, including bones, muscles, and organs, you can assemble and reassemble this model again and again. It even comes with an adjustable stand for endless posing possibilities. This educational toy makes learning about the human body fun and interactive. It's a fantastic way to explore the functions of bones, muscles, and organs. The kit includes colorful instruction cards that teach you all about your body. Hours of entertainment and learning await as you delve into the complexities of human anatomy. This comprehensive anatomy kit provides a detailed, 3D look inside the human body. It's an engaging tool for understanding the systems that keep us moving. What we like. This is a fantastic educational tool for young minds. If you are looking for a way to make learning about the human body engaging and interactive for kids aged 8 and up, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for budding scientists or future doctors who enjoy hands-on exploration and detailed models. What people say. The pieces are easy to assemble, and he loves discovering how everything fits together, from organs to muscles and more. The hands-on nature keeps him engaged for longer than typical worksheets, and it sparked so many questions and conversations about how our bodies work. This is a nice, educational manipulative for learning about the human body anatomy. Number 4. Morph Jetpack Inflatable Costume for Kids. Get ready for an adventure with this incredible inflatable costume. It's designed to bring your child's imagination to life. Simply inflate it and watch your child transform. It's comfortable and allows for easy movement, perfect for playtime. This is the ultimate costume for any young explorer. It's sure to be a hit at parties, Halloween, or just for fun. With this costume, your child can become a real-life jetpack hero. Imagine the exciting journeys they'll embark on. This fun and exciting inflatable costume is perfect for any child. It offers hours of imaginative play and adventure. What we like. Looking for a unique and attention-grabbing costume for your child? This inflatable option is perfect for parties and events. If you want a costume that is comfortable, easy to put on, and guarantees a lot of laughs, this is the one to consider for your little one. What people say. The costume held up all night in downpoured rain. The battery lasted all night and the quality held up while my daughter was trick-or-treating. It fit just right and was an easy costume to get in and out of. The fan worked great and held its charge. It fit him well and could probably last another year or two. Number 3. Morris Costumes Dummy Poseable Mr. 124202. Get ready to add a chilling touch to your Halloween or any occasion with this unique prop. It's designed to bring your spooky scenes to life. Featuring a cloth body with real-looking hands, this dummy offers an authentic and eerie appearance. The posable arms and neck allow for customizable frights. Standing at an imposing 6 feet tall, this prop is sure to be a focal point. Its size makes it perfect for creating a dramatic display. While the pirate costume is not included, this posable figure is ideal for various themes and settings. Let your imagination run wild with its potential. From Halloween haunts to theatrical productions, this dummy is a versatile addition. It's designed for costumes and displays for all your needs. What we like. This prop offers a classic and versatile look for various occasions. If you need a realistic-looking dummy that can be easily posed for displays or performances, this is an excellent option. It's suitable for Halloween, theatrical productions, or anyone looking for a spooky and customizable prop. What people say. This is a simple design and works well. It's very flexible and when dressed the posture is very human-like. He did stay out though unless jostled about. Number 2. Rubies Jurassic World T-Rex Inflatable Costume. Ever wanted to stomp around like a T-Rex? Now you can with this incredible inflatable costume. Get ready for roaring good times. Step into the world of Jurassic Park and become the king of the dinosaurs. This costume is perfect for parties, Halloween, or just a fun day out. Inflating is a breeze, and the comfortable design lets you move with ease. You'll be the life of the party in no time. Designed for adults, this unisex costume offers a comfortable fit for most. It's ready for your next prehistoric adventure. Bring the excitement of Jurassic World to life. This T-Rex costume is a must-have for any fan looking for an unforgettable experience. What we like. Want to make a roaring entrance at your next costume party? This inflatable T-Rex costume is sure to turn heads. If you're a fan of Jurassic World or simply love making a big, bold statement, this is the ultimate choice for an unforgettable Halloween or themed event. What people say. Product durability, everything seals up great. Material is tough. It is easy to put on and inflates quickly and quietly. I put the costume on and took it off multiple times with zero issues. The zipper worked perfectly, the ankle and wrist elastic is tight and the blower works really well. Number 1. Morphsuits Crash Test Dummy Costume Adult. Ever wanted to be the star of a hilarious experiment? Now you can with this iconic costume. Get ready for some serious fun. This costume features a classic crash test dummy design that's guaranteed to turn heads. It's perfect for parties, Halloween, or any event where you want to stand out. Don't let the look fool you, this outfit is designed for comfort. You can move, dance, and have a blast all day or night long. Getting into character is simple with this easy-to-wear suit. Just slip it on and you're ready to make a statement. Looking for a funny costume that everyone will remember? This is it. It's the ultimate choice for a memorable and amusing entrance. Prepare for laughter and amazement when you arrive in this unique attire. It's more than just a costume, it's an experience. What we like. This is the ultimate costume for anyone who loves a good laugh and a recognizable look. If you're searching for a funny, comfortable, and instantly identifiable costume for parties or Halloween, this is your go-to. It's perfect for adults who want to stand out with a classic, humorous theme. What people say. It is very airy. The sizing chart was very accurate too, didn't need faff about with getting a size up or down. Belle qualite, lavable, any bouge pas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.